Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find diamonds into your Minecraft world, and it works for any really low version, so sorry about MBC5 emailing me, I'm in a green zone. So the seed you want to type in is dream, and space, and house. It works the same way on Android. Yeah, it does. So let's start the world. Right. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. First turn to survival. Alright. It is going fast. Going really fast. And then it does now. No. Yeah. So first you turn right. Then you go this way where 3 cacti are. Well, I'm sorry, this might be, but I know you guys are not asking me how to find diamonds, but I just want to show it to help you guys. So can this video hit about like 10 likes and I'll upload how to find another ores video on the old version of Minecraft Pocket Edition. Nope, if this video hits 10 likes, I will upload a video how to find a different ore. So basically, I'm getting wood, and the seed's exactly the same, I'm pretty sure, until 1.9. 0.9, not 1.9. 0.9. I think this seed has been removed since then. It's never been seen. Oh yeah, you could still activate the seed, I think, in newer versions by turn on the old type. Like, go to advanced settings, the world options, then this might work if you place it on the old world option for a newer version. But this is the old world type and it's not infinite. When we get down by the world border, that's when we need to stop. And yeah, I might upload how to get past it. There's only like one way to get past the border. But you won't be able to place blocks, so just be all invisible bedrock. Alright. This is where we need to aim down here and then we'll start. We don't want to drown or anything. Alright. Alright, here we have a pickaxe. Keep on mining. So yeah, this is a really cool seed. You should try it out yourself. Yeah, just do it. So yeah, you're basically getting your own look of diamonds. This is like the easiest way to find diamonds. Right. I'm surprised I haven't seen any yet. There we are. See the diamonds? That's how you find your diamonds. And if you see me, I am the mine. If you want to mine this, so this is how you find diamonds into your Minecraft world. If you enjoy the video, please leave a like and please subscribe. Remember, getting this video hit 10 likes or I'll upload how to do something on the old version of Minecraft Pocket Edition. So thank you and have a wonderful day, I guess. 1, 2, 3, goodbye. Voice crack.